Hey, Miss Alana here, working on some math, getting smarter and smarter every day, and I know you are too. Are you ready to continue on with our bus driver appreciation work? All right, so this video is number 3 of our work for today, okay? Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's read the problem. It says if 1/4, and that's how we write 1/4, or the 1 on top and the 4 at the bottom. If 1/4 of all the students are in the 5th grade, how many students are not in the 5th grade? So, like we did on the other questions, we can use our problem-solving mnemonic device, cubes, to help you remember what you need to do. So the first step, what's the first step? Is the C step. It is circle the numbers. Help me circle the numbers. What numbers do we see? Bam, 1/4. Oh, 1/4, that's a number too, right? Even though it's in word form, that's a number. Any other numbers you see? Okay, 5th grade, that's a number. Now, it's not a number that we are going to use to solve the problem. It's more like a number of information. It's information for the problem, not to help you solve the problem. Well, yeah, we need it, but you get what I'm saying. All right, so we're done with that. Next, the next step is underline the important words. Call out some important words to me. Let's see. So we know that 1/4, that's important. What else? All is an important word. What else do you see? Students. Now, maybe you underline different words than I do. What else do you see? 5th grade, yes. Woohoo! Put your hands up if you're in the 5th grade and you love 5th grade. Yes, I love 5th grade and all the other grades too. All right, now what else? Students. What else? Oh, we have 5th grade. Oh, you know what? There's one important word. There's one important word. It's like a sneaky, it's a sneaky little word. It's a sneaky little word that sometimes you don't see it, but it's there. It tries to sneak up on you to try to trick you, but guess what? You're smarter than that. You better say, "You word, you're not going to trick me." You know what word that is? This word, not. And I'm going to double underline that because that is an important word. Not, that's an important word when we are solving this problem. So, bam, we are done with that. The next step is B, box the question. Did I just notice I didn't even spell the word question right? You guys didn't tell me that, and I just noticed that. Make sure I gotta go back and fix all the ones. Gotta fix my word. All right, so box the question. Where's the question? How many students are not in the 5th grade? Let's box that. Box it, even though this is like a weird looking box. Box it, box it, box it. Okay. Now, if you want to highlight it, you can highlight also, okay? So how many students are not in the 5th grade? All right, I'm done with that one. The next one, E, eliminate unnecessary information. I think we need everything in there. We need all that information in that problem. So that was easy. We're done with that. The next one is to solve and check. Now, in this problem, are we adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? Now, remember from question number 2, when we had to do half, do you remember what operation we did? When you take half of something, we divide it. So in this one, if we're doing 1/4 of something, we need to divide. All right, so let's divide. What are we dividing? We're dividing all the students. This was like the last one. Do you remember how many students there were in all that we need to divide? Let's go back. Go back to the question number 1. Right there. 48 students. So we need to, bam, we need to divide 48 by what? By 4, because it's 1/4, okay? So 4 goes into 4 how many times? 1 time. 1 goes up there. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract that. 4 take away 4 is 0. Bring down the 8. 4 goes into 8. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now, I know some of you like doing the short way, the quick way. let's do that. I'll do that also, okay? 48 divided by 4. Raise your hand if you like this way. Okay? That's good. Raise your hand if you like this way. That's good either way, okay? Whichever one works best for you. 4 goes in 4 one time. Write the 1. Is there anything left? Nope. 4 goes into 8 2 times. Anything left? Nope. All right. So, how many students were not in the 5th grade? You see how this question tried to trick you? This question tried to trick you because we did 1/4 are in the 5th grade. So there are 12 students of the 5th grade in the 5th grade, and it says how many are not in the 5th grade. It tried to trick you. It tried to trick you. So what do we need to do? We need to do another operation down here. We're not done. Okay, you're not done. You're not done. We need to subtract. We need to subtract that, because if there are 12 that are in the 5th grade, how many are not? Subtract to find out. So we are subtracting 12 from the total, which is 48. So I need to do 48 minus 12, just like that. All right, what is 8 minus 2? That is 6. And 4 minus 1 is 3. All right, check that again. 8 minus 2, that's 6. 4 minus 1 is 3, or we can add up to see 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. So we are done, but we need our unit. 36 what? 36 students are not in the 5th grade. 36 students. You can leave it right there, 36 students, or I can write 36 students are not in the 5th grade. Are not in the 5th grade. Oh, I tried to squeeze it in there. All right, so thumbs up if you got that right. Make sure you write your answer down. Show all your work. Don't forget your unit. See you on the next question.